Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is 24th of January 2018 and right now it's about 1:45 p.m. So I'm sorry I'm getting late every day to make my videos as my class only gets over by 1. We start at about 10:30 and then we, 2 hours of class and then the questions and answers and I get delayed almost every day. But I guess as long as the webinar is on, it will be like that. But I'm sure slowly, gradually, when the webinar will get over, I'll be back to the time and track. So let's discuss about market today and see what's happening. So we start with Nifty. Nifty is once again on a very, very high note. Like see, I have again marked today's levels, right? So three times it has taken resistance from the same level, which is in cash market, which is 11,105,106 is where it has bounced three times back today, and right now it just opened gap up and it seems to be heading up, right? Let's see how it goes because Nifty is at a lifetime high. Something that I'm monitoring, which I'm observing, I may be incorrect, if I this is the Nifty's graph, right? So it is down, then up for the last 45 minutes or one, two, three, four, five candles. It's been going up, but look into the Nifty PE. Nifty PE is not following the same pattern, like it was. It is just almost in a different way. Although Nifty is heading up, but the PE is also heading up. I don't know for what reason and how is it possible, right? How is it possible? Nifty is heading up, even the PE is heading up. So I have PE with me and I am in positive right now. Where my Nifty PE is, I am positive. So only loss that I'm having right now is Apollo Tire put, which I have again entered, believing that it should go down, but it is heading up. So let's see overall I'm in the profitable zone, so that is fine. So I've done a lot of trades today. Sale hit my stop loss, Hindalco gave me a profit, ACC gave me a profit, Hindalco put gave me a profit, and VEDL right now is in little loss, Nifty put is in profit, and Apollo Tire put is in loss. So let's see. So let me discuss all the trades that I did today. So I did Hindalco, right? Hindalco I did after its morning range broke out. So this is the morning range, and I marked it, and I saw in my system, in my setup, that it is heading down, right? When it was heading down, that is why I entered. See here, it crossed with volumes, right? This is where it crossed with volumes. I entered here when the price rejection took place at this level. Rather, I entered at what time? Let me see the time. So I bought Hindalco at 9:46, right? So 9:46 I sold it. So 9:46, let's see what was the graph. This is where I sold it. When the candle went below the moving average and then it went up, and this price rejection kind of confirmed to me that the stock is planning to go down, and I've ever since it has been just in the downtrend, right? And now I have just recently, about half an hour back, I can show you here, about 1:30. Right now it's 1:49. So about 1:30 I have bought VEDL put at 355, and it is at 350 because I felt that Nifty is somehow at that time was turning little weak, and VEDL was also leaving the 10 moving average and coming below 10 moving average. So that kind of gave me an indication that it may be heading down. Right now, see, there is a huge momentum that is coming into the put. I'm really not understanding why, but put is suddenly started going down, and I'm right. Wherever I bought the put of VEDL, there are no losses, so hopefully this should also be fine. Okay, ACC. Why did I trade into ACC? So ACC is a stock I have been tracking for quite many days. and it has been in the downfall. It's a beautiful vertical, almost vertical downfall. This stock is having I have been watching it for many days, past at least 6 7 days. I've been continuously watching it, and see here, it took a resistance the day before yesterday. It took a resistance here, and yesterday again it took a resistance, came down, and today when it broke its morning range, I entered into it, right? So that was my another trade, ACC. All my trades will be well defined trades. All my trades will have a valid reason why I have done and why am I doing it, right? And all the trades, while my class is on, or I'm doing these trades with confidence, I'm not bothered about, and confidently doing my trade. Another trade which I missed, actually, I spotted it in the morning, but I missed it. Wherever you see the morning range being marked, those are the stocks I have actually seen in the morning and I wanted to trade in them. So I wanted to trade into Dr. Reddy, but somehow I was, since morning, or rather I would say for 3 4 5 days, I'm pretty much bothered about Nifty. Why? Because it's on a very high level it is right now. So I am expecting a correction. So I'm little worry of entering into something which is on a buy side. So I would look for all the trades. See, you look into Hindalco, you look into VDL, you look into ACC. All my trades are on sell side, right? I've bought Hindalco put, I've sold Hindalco, I've bought VDL put. All my trades are on sell side. I have bought a Apollo Tires put, I have bought Nifty put. Everything is on sell side. So my mindset is almost fixed for the sell side. So that is why I did not enter into Dr. Reddy, right? Otherwise, that was a very good stock. So what I want to tell you, that your identification has to be correct. Which direction the market will take a turn, and it doesn't matter after that. Sometime, and analyze. Now I'm regretting why I didn't enter into Dr. Reddy. It could have been a good stock, good trade, but it's okay. It's okay. So many times our trades don't meet. Another trade that I spotted in the morning was NIT Tech. So NIT Tech, only is issue that I had with NIT Tech was that it made a very big candle. That it made a very big candle, right? So whenever such a big candle takes place, right, I just want to explain you what happens. Who's dominating this big candle? The buyers, right? Buyers were strong. Buyers were strong. Then the candle started becoming smaller and smaller. That means who's got confused now? It's the buyers who are getting confused. That means who's coming in the market now? It's the sellers. And that is why I did not enter into this trade, right? So because this was a confusion, when these big candles were formed and then after that suddenly these tiny candles, it was pretty much indicative enough for me to know that market doesn't plan to go any further up, and after that it has been stagnant, right? So this was also a trade, and I missed Dr. Reddy today and I'm feeling pretty bad about it, but it's okay. Market is like that. Okay, so we are not taking any trade, neither BTST trade nor we are taking any trade. We're just waiting, standing aside and waiting, because we want to see a correct direction, right? I'm just not being able to understand, if Nifty is going up, why the PE is going up too. And to me it is kind of an indication that surely there is something is building up. But if I look into the feature, the option chain, I'll show you here, at all the levels there is call writing happening. That means Nifty doesn't go up from these levels. Rather, even the put writing is very high at 11,100 level, right? If you see here, there are 8 lakhs here and 20 lakhs here. So 28 lakhs put have been written here, right, at this level. And here 17 plus 6. So how much is that? It is going to be 23. So 23 lakhs here. And here it is 6,62,000 and it is 50 lakhs, 56 lakhs. So highest puts have been written at this level, 11,000 level, right? So, now what I have understood today, Nifty is waiting, when market is waiting for a news. There's some kind of announcement that Arun Jaitley is going to do at 3:30. So probably market is waiting for that news. So, and that is why Nifty is so indecisive. No, Nifty is so indecisive, trying to go up, yet not being able to cross the barrier that it has on top of its head. So let's see. Let's see. I'm also just waiting and watching and seeing, how are these barriers, whether the barriers are crossed or not crossed. I do have Nifty put, right? I do have Nifty put, which is in all right, good profit. So these are the two negative trades I have, but in overall, all my positions collectively are in profit. So I'm thinking that I will definitely have a profit from VEDL, right? Only thing is this candle has to cross this support with momentum. And if it does so, it will be able to give me profit. All right. So these were some trades that I did, and pretty much good day, not bad. With small investment, getting good amount of money is really a good thing. All right. So let's talk about crude now. What's happening in crude, right? So I would say that my crude setup is very, very good. I really like working on it. Now this is my crude setup where the time frame is 30 minutes, right? Time frame is 30 minutes. Now see here, MACD has already crossed. Fine. MACD has already crossed. RSI has not crossed. We will wait for RSI to cross and the candles to come below 4,100. And if it happens so, you can definitely look for about 20 points, 10 to 15 to 20 points profit by selling it. Okay, if you see, like, you analyze any of the trades, I have been analyzing this method and the other method is of plotting the various supports and the resistance. So here I believe my guesswork is much lesser than in the other system. So what happens here? MACD crossover, RSI crossover, and the moving average taking a support, and here is the price rejection. Can you see at the lower levels? And this is how the market went up from 407 somethings to 4,125. Good, about 50 points it went up. So I trust this system much more than I trust my the where I draw the extreme levels and then figure out from there what should be the buy or sell price. So I'm waiting for RSI to go down and the candles to come below moving averages. That is where I will have an opportunity to short, right? So let's see how it is honored. We'll discuss it tomorrow, right? We'll discuss about it tomorrow. And please analyze your trades. We are not trading anything. If at all, if you see my mind setup right now, it is all negatively biased. I'm only doing trades of selling. I'm not doing trades of buying, right? I'm in a mindset of selling only. So so that means that is the reason we are not giving you any trades on StockPro. So we're not discussing any trades which are on the verge of having a breakout. So let's see. Keep learning, keep investing, but without learning, please don't trade in the market. That's my only humble request from you people. That please learn about the market, then only trade. You have so many of my videos, watch them and create good winning trades. So this is fine. This is doing perfectly well. And I'm hoping this PE should also be fine. I re-entered into it. Hopefully this should give me, because there's some kind of a profit booking I can see further happening in Apollo Tires. So if it comes down, hopefully this should give me profit. So I'm waiting and watching. So these were my trades today, and the most wonderful time that I always have with you guys. And I'm looking forward to see you. Let's see. Many people are learning about the market and creating winning trades. You must be having a look at my, like, I'll show you. Members keep sending me on my this thing. They keep sending me various of their trades. So this is one member who sent me today the trades 7,312, and this is my webinar 12. This also he sent me Apollo tires P. We did this trade. All of us we did this trade today. Then I'll show you Mr. Salim Akhtar, right? See here, this is his today's trade. I'll show you more of his trades. Many members keep sending me their trades every single day. This is another day trade. This is another trade, 34,000. So every time he has trades, he sends me. Right? Many members do like that. They keep sending me their trades, and I'm happy that they're reporting to me. I feel very good about it. Right? So if you want to learn and if you want to understand, please visit my website, register yourself for the upcoming next webinar. Now this webinar's admissions are closed. You can go to contact us and to contact my team. Also, one more thing, for my old members who want to watch my latest videos, please